Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we're back at the old desktop because we have an unboxing. And it's been a while, so it's a little messy. But this is how I do my unboxings, because I get it in the mail and I open up right away. And so you can see my first reactions and impressions. So that being said, my name's Moose. If you're new to the channel, on this channel, I do reviews on knives, gear, food, and tech that relates to getting outside, getting outdoors, backpacking, hiking, camping, and travel, and any sort of EDC stuff. So if you like that, please consider subscribing, hit that bell notification for up-to-date videos, and check out the links below that I put down there for any additional information. Today we do have an unboxing, and this is something that I ordered from drop.com. I'll leave links below to the product if it's still available on there. I don't quite remember what this is or what the name of it is, so we will find out. And today we'll be opening it up, not with this one. This is a great knife though. We banter. Check it out, super good knife. But today we are opening it up with the Kershaw Turismo, which honestly, this knife surprised me. But man, one of the fastest assisted opening knives I have, and it is just awesome. Fit and finish and design on this knife is super cool. And I like that it has the flipper tab that conceals away into the handle, and just love the blade shape and everything. So super cool knife. Check out my review of it. I'll link it in the eye in the upper right hand corner. And put it on your watch list, because this might be a contender for my top 5 knives of the year. So Kershaw Turismo. Anyways, let's get cracking open into this. It's exciting. It's been a while since I have some knives to review, but it's been a while since I've gotten something from Drop. And honestly, I got to give a shout out to JT's Knife Life. I briefly chatted with him about kind of our disappointment in what Spyderco's been putting out. Not to say that Spyderco knives aren't good knives, but they just, I don't know, they're kind of plain at this point. All they did was change colors and change blade steel, but other than that, there's no new designs really, or at least nothing impressive to me. And then two, some of their older designs that have been around forever, like the Delica, is slightly overpriced. I don't know. So in mentioning that with JT, he's like, yeah, I mentioned to him that I'm gonna try to start looking outside the norm and not just go with Civivi or just Kershaw, and try to find a couple new companies. And that's why I pulled the trigger on this knife, if I think it is what it is, because I haven't heard of this company yet, and I want to check out their knife, and the features on it look pretty good. It looks like it's in my wheelhouse, so I'm excited. And here is the box. And really cool textured. There is space outside the box. Amare Knives, and this is the Field Bro. So part of it is I like that name, but red G10, cool, almost like a check box, like something you used to get checks in from your bank. I like the texture. Amare Knives, they got a dragonfly as the logo. And let's see what this knife looks like. Oh, it popped out of its little socket there. Presentation wise, we'll just pop it back in there. And there you go. Comes with a little bit of paperwork. Amare Knives, original designs, outstanding quality, competitive prices. Top grade manufacturer with Real Steel Knives. So Real Steel Knives manufactures this knife. Individual and outside the box designs and construction, quality assurance, and competitive prices. So this is a Real Steel design production, designed by Amare Knives. I think forgot where they're from, but I'll put a link to their website. Oh, knives feature original German designs. Okay, German designs, Chinese production. And here you go, guys. Now, this is a true red G10. Like, I have the first red knife I had was like this crimson red with the SOG Terminus XR, which is really sweet. But I was hoping for something that would pop like this. And this is the red and black Field Bro. Ooh. Okay. Smooth. Need to break in this locking mechanism. But it has basically a crossbar lock. It's much lighter than it looks. I'm actually really surprised at how light this knife is. So, okay. Cool. So, yeah. I like the feel. I'm going to dig this knife. I'm already digging it. Blade shape's pretty sweet. Neutral, kind of utilitarian. Drop point. Flat grind. Plain edge blade. It's VG10 blade steel. I don't remember what I paid for this, but I guess I'll talk about that in the review. Fold over deep carry pocket clip. Not necessarily recessed screws, but at least they're flat, kinda. But it looks like you'll have enough room to get all the way in deep into the pocket. I like the logo. I like the lanyard slot as well. So pretty good, honestly. It feels really solid. I'm worried a little bit about the action. Oh, there you go. But definitely you can flick it. You kind of have to get that wrist action in. There we go. Just takes a little bit of finessing, but overall, pretty impressed. Feels super solid. Looks clean. Fit and finish looks pretty good. I like the black hardware. I like the color scheme. The texturing's nice. Just feels like a solid work knife. No play in the blade. So yeah, that is cool. So there you have it, guys. This is my unboxing of the Amare Field Bro knife from drop.com. I will put links in the description below. You can look forward to a full review of it somewhere down the line. Remember, check out the Bantam. I'll leave the eye in the upper right hand corner to my video review of that. And then check out the Kershaw Turismo. Super sick blade. D2 steel. Awesome. Speed assist. And you can close it one-handed pretty simply. So great stuff. So really cool stuff, guys. Thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links below. Let me know what you think. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.